Hi friends, good morning. Next video from Dhruva Edutainment and Vidu classes. Friends, this video from intermediate second year geology, that is from organic evolution, friends. Unit 7. What is our question, friends? Explain Darwin theory of natural selection. Friends, Darwin theory of natural selection with industrial mechanism as an experimental proof. Friends, here you have to explain about the Darwin theory. You know, friends, Darwin theory is what, friends? It is a natural selection theory. So here you have to take an example. What is that experimental proof, friends? That is industrial mechanism. So Darwin theory of natural selection with industrial mechanism, friends. Now come to, friends, Darwin theory of evolution proposed by Charles Robert Darwin. Friends, Charles Robert Darwin. Darwin published his theory in his book titled, friends, what is the book written by Darwin, friends? The Origin of Species by Means of Natural Selection. Friends, the origin of species by means of natural selection. Once again, friends, Darwin's theory is also called as what, friends? Natural selection theory. This Darwin's theory proposed by whom, friends? Charles Robert Darwin. What is his book, friends? The Origin of Species by Means of Natural Selection, friends. The origin of species by means of natural selection. See, friends, Darwin's theory of natural selection, friends, very, very important. Darwin's theory of natural selection does not explain what exactly evolution is. See, friends, see, the Darwin's theory of natural selection or Darwin's evolutionary theory does not explain what exactly evolution is. So Darwin unable to explain about the definition of evolution, friends. But he explains how evolution might have occurred in nature. He explained about what, friends? How evolution might have occurred in nature. Okay, friends. Now come to our question. Experimental proof of natural selection with industrial mechanism. Friends, here first you know what is industrial mechanism, what is industrial revolution. Okay, friends, what happened during industrial evolution, what happened earlier to industrial revolution. See, friends, industrial mechanism, melanism means black color, means melanin, friends, melanin. Industrial means formation of industries. So melanism means what, means black color, melanin, friends. Industrial mechanism is the practical proof for the natural selection. Friends, industrial mechanism is the practical proof for what, friends? For natural selection. What is natural selection, friends? It is a evolutionary theory proposed by Charles Darwin. So industrial mechanism is the practical proof for what, friends? For the natural selection of the evolution of Darwin. Okay, friends. See, industrial mechanism means what, friends? Is the darkening of the species. Change the color of the skin color of this animal into what, friends? Into dark color. Industrial mechanism means what, friends? It is a darkening of the species due to industries. See, earlier to industrial evolution, there is no soot on the trees, friends. There is no smoke, there is no pollution. But when industrial evolution starts, soot or smoke released by the industries. Due to that, what happened, friends? The skin color of the species become dark. That is called as melanism. So industrial melanism is the darkening of the species due to what, friends? Due to industries. See, friends, melanism means what? Dark pigmentation. Dark pigmentation is called as what, friends? Melanism. See, friends, industrial melanism is exhibited by an insect that's called a peppered moth. Friends, moth is just like butterfly, friends, but there's slight difference in the arrangement of the wings. Okay, friends. So This industrial mechanism is exhibited by whom, friends? By an insect. What is that insect? Peppered moth, friends. Peppered moth. The scientific name of the peppered moth is what, friends? Biston betullaria. Friends, here you have to remember two words. What is that insect? Peppered moth. What is scientific name? Biston betullaria. Friends, Biston betullaria. What is the scientific name of the peppered moth, friends? Biston betullaria, friends. Biston betullaria. Okay, friends. Now, these moths, this peppered moth is present in two colors, friends, in two forms. One is grey color and the one is black color. This peppered moth is present in two forms or in two colors. One color is what, friends? Grey color moths. Second one is black color moths. See, friends, grey color moths were abundant or full before industrial revolution in all over England. See, before industrial revolution, that is before 1740, friends. Before 1740, there is no industrial revolution in England. So before industrial revolution or prior to industrial revolution, there are only grey colored moths in England. See, grey colored moths were abundant before industrial revolution or prior to industrial revolution in all over England. But see, friends, during industrial revolution, black color moths were more and grey color moths were less in industrial cities like Birmingham. See, Birmingham is a city of in England, friends. Okay, so during industrial revolution or after industrial revolution, at the time of industrial revolution, the number of black color moths were more than the grey color moths. Okay, friends, during the industrial revolution, black color moths were more and grey color moths were less in industrial cities like Birmingham. Okay, friends. Now, the increase in number of black moths is due to industrial mechanism. So, why the black color moths were more during industrial revolution? That is due to what, friends? Due to industrial mechanism. Due to what, friends? Due to industrial mechanism, the number of black color moths increase in England, particularly in the industrial cities like Birmingham. For this, we have to give reasons, friends. See, friends, during industrial revolution, more soot was released from the industries. Friends, see, more soot, more carbon monoxide, more carbon dioxide, more smoke is released by the industries. So during industrial revolution, due to pollution, more soot was released from the industries, which causes pollution in the regions, leaving the trees turns black. When the soot is released by the industries, the bark of the trees which are present in the industrial area turns what, friends? Turns black color. Earlier to that, the bark of the tree is white in color. But when the industrial revolution starts, when the industries release the soot, due to soot, the bark of the trees turns what, friends? Turns black color. See, friends, black moths means what, friends? Melanic moths or dark moths. You have to write, friends. You have to write any one of the either black moths or dark moths or melanin moths. Merge with the dark bark of the tree and the predatory birds cannot identify them. So, when the bark turns black color, the black color moths, which are few in number at that time, are merged with the black color. So, these moths were eaten by whom, friends? By the birds. They are called as predatory birds. So, the black color moths merge with the bark of the black tree. So, then these black color moths merge with the dark bark of the tree and the predatory birds cannot identify them. Friends, this is important. When the black color moths are merged with the black color bark, the predatory birds can't identify them, friends. So, grey moths are clearly visible to the predatory birds because the bark is dark in color. These moths, grey color moths, are grey in color. So, because of that grey color, they are clearly visible to the predatory birds. So, and easily identified and were more predated by the predatory birds. See friends, here predatory birds are clearly seeing what, clearly identifying what? Grey moths. But they are not identifying the black moths. These grey moths were predated by whom friends? By the predatory birds. Okay friends, or by the birds. Thus, due to that, what happened friends? When the grey moths were identified and eaten by the predatory birds, the number of grey moths decreased day by day. The number of black moths increased in the population. See friends, the number of grey moths decreased day by day due to what? Due to their grey color, which is clearly visible to the predatory birds. They are eaten by whom friends? They are eaten by predatory birds. So their number gradually decreased in the population and the number of black moths increased in the population. Thus natural selection favored to black moths. See here, nature is selecting the black moths friends because due to their black color to reproduce more successfully. So when the black color moths were not identified the predatory birds, they successfully enter into the reproductive stage and they produce the next generation. See friends, the natural selection favored to the black moths to reproduce more successfully. Natural selection of darker moths is response to industrial pollution is known as industrial melanism. See friends, what is industrial melanism? Natural selection of darker moths in response to industrial pollution is known as what friends? Industrial melanism. See friends here. See this is a light tree, this is a dark tree friends. See friends, when the bark is light, the light moths are not visible, dark moths can visible. But when the dark bark is there, dark moth is not visible, light moths are clearly visible to the predatory birds. Okay friends. See friends here, this is the bark friends, this is a dark moth, this is the grey moth. See friends. Okay, this is before industrial evolution. Now see friends, this is before industrial evolution, this is after industrial revolution. Okay friends, this is about what friends? This is about the, see one more friends. See picking of the peptide moth, black moths and white moths. See friends, grey moths are clearly visible to the predatory birds, but dark moths not clearly visible to the predatory birds friends. This is about what friends? What's our question friends? Once again friends, important question, simple question. Explain Darwin theory of natural selection with industrial melanism as a experimental proof. Here you remember which word friends? Peptide moth, Biston betullaria, grey moth, black moth or melanin moth. Okay friends. Okay friends. Thank you. Good day.